Immediately after the presentation of the large number rods, the next activity is the sandpaper numerals. I need to emphasize here that it is not just about going to the next activity. You need to ensure that the child understands, is able to get the concept of the first exercise. Until the child is good with the first exercise, please do not move to this next activity. It is absolutely very important. Yes, there are times that the children can forget when you start to present this particular activity. But if you find that the child struggles, do well to go back to that first activity because it is required for their learning. All right, so the sandpaper numerals, the direct aim is to teach and to reinforce the recognition of the written symbols 1 to 10. Remember, they've experienced it using the large number rods, the fixed quantity. They were working without rods, without the symbols. At that time, they were not even seeing any number. You don't introduce numbers 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4. They are not saying the symbols. You are only presenting to them the quantity of that numbers. So working with sandpaper numerals, you are actually teaching and reinforcing the recognition of the written symbols 1 to 10. And of course, with the sandpaper numerals, it prepares the child's hand for writing these particular numerals. And normally the way the presentation of the sandpaper numerals, there are directional arrows. Of course, as you go into the classroom, you will see how you present this to the child. And using the 2 fingers on how to go around the directional writing of the numbers. Remember, I said again into the introduction, before we get to this math area, using our fingers, the children already know how to use their fingers to manipulate materials right from when they start working in the practical life area and then moving to the sensorial area. So this is the emphasis even as you present this material. Of course, as you're presenting it, you need to reinforce the name of the symbols. You already introduced it to them when you were presenting the large number. Now you're showing them the symbols, and as you trace, so for instance, there is 1, you trace up, down, and then you say 1. When you get 2, you go through the direction like that, and as you're ending, you say 2. You don't start from 2 like that, no. You start up, 2. And then when you get to 3, 3, 4. Now it's not in the air. You're using the sandpaper numerals. But I'm just telling you how of course, when you see this being done in the classroom, you will understand what I'm saying. And again, for this particular exercise, you teach the symbols using the 3-period lesson, just like we did with the large number rods. So if you're ready, let's get into the classroom and see how you present this particular exercise to the young child. What we're going to do with this activity, the number numerals, sandpaper numerals, is to show you and prepare you for how you can write your numbers 1 to 9. Today we're going to start with the first 3 numbers. You will write your numbers and also you'll be able to identify your numbers 1 to 9. Not only writing, but also you'll be able to identify the numbers. But today we'll just work with the numbers 1 to 3. The next lesson will go on to all the other numbers. All right? This is 1. 1. This is 1. Can you touch? Do it again. 1. So this is 1. This is 2. 2. Can you try? 2. So this is 2. And this is 3. This is 3. Can you try? 3. Right. This is 1. 1. And this is 2. 2. And this is 3. 3. Now can you trace and show me 1? 1. Can you trace and show me 2? And you say 2. Can you trace and show me 3, please? Can you trace and show me 3 again? Can you trace and show me 1? Can you trace and show me 2? 2. Now, what number is this? What number is this? What number is this? What number is this again? What number is this? And what number is this? 2. So today, we've been able to learn and trace the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Can you go and trace it and say it? 1, 2, 3. Well done. So next time we'll work with this material again. We'll go on to all the older numbers to 9. Thank you for working with me.